We're talking about writing essays and introduction paragraphs. Here's a quick overview for how to do it. So first, what is an essay? An essay is a written response to a prompt, and it's 5 paragraphs long. So here are a few examples of essay prompts you might see. Look at the first one here. For instance, if you were asked, is Jonas's Society from The Giver a utopia or dystopia? An essay response would be 5 paragraphs long, answering that question. So even though an essay is 5 paragraphs, right now we're only going to look at the first paragraph, the introduction. The introduction is the very first paragraph in your essay. It has 3 parts: the hook, summary, and thesis. That's our focus for today. What does each part mean? First, the hook. That's the very first sentence of your essay, and it's just a quick sentence, one sentence, just to get the reader interested or excited for the essay they're about to read. Next, the summary. That's an overview or description for the source or sources which your essay is based on. So, for example, if my essay was answering that question, is Jonas's Society a utopia or dystopia, my summary would just be a sentence or two describing what is The Giver all about. What's this story about? Last, the thesis. That's your big claim or overall argument for your entire essay. This answers the prompt. All right, let's look at all 3 parts quickly. First, the hook. I'll show you some examples for these parts, and as we go, these examples will be based on this essay prompt. So pretend that I was writing an essay, answering compare and contrast the experiences of Naya and Salva in A Long Walk to Water. If that was the question, and I was writing an essay, my hook might look like this. See the red text on your screen. If you want proof that extreme hardship can shape individuals in an unexpected way, look no further than the experiences of citizens within the war-torn borders of South Sudan. That's my hook. One sentence to engage the reader. I do not mention the sources, the book, at all. It's just a quick sentence about the overall topic, and it's meant to spark interest in the reader. Next, the summary. A Long Walk to Water by Linda Sue Park details the experiences of Naya and Salva, 2 children living in South Sudan during the nation's bloody civil war. Brief description of the source, what's the story about, and I don't give away the big claim from my thesis statement. Last, the thesis. Both characters endure tremendous adversity, but Naya's challenges focus on gender inequity, while Salva's struggles on a cross-continental refugee journey. This is my overall argument for the entire essay, and it's the idea I'm going to be proving in my writing. It responds right to the prompt, and it contains the ideas that'll be in my body paragraphs. More on that later. So again, just to recap, your introduction paragraph, that's the first paragraph of your essay, 3 parts: hook, summary, thesis. What do they mean? The hook, the first sentence, gets the reader interested. The summary, 1 or 2 sentences at most, just a brief description of the story that your essay was based on. And then last, the thesis. That's your big claim, which answers the prompt, your overall argument for your entire essay. So if you were to see all 3 parts together, here it is. This is my introduction paragraph. It's 3 sentences long. That's it. Hook, summary, thesis. So you have just gotten a brief overview for how to write introduction paragraphs in your essays. These slides in this presentation, the link is obviously in your packet, which you're watching right now, but the video will be saved, so you can go back and look at my introduction paragraph or check out the different parts. Thanks for watching.